Australia or travelling again?
Back to Australia on Sunday.
Oh,
Yeah. We've been away for about 3 weeks.
yes.
So, got to get back to work.
Yeah. Same here.
Yeah.
Get back to work.
Got to go back to the stress of work. There'll be hundreds of emails I have to answer.
Yeah.
Be nice to